I can almost hear the ugh. Because if you're going back to school soon, that is going to be the noise that you'll be hearing soon. So I thought that I would do some sort of funky back to school nail design using this fabulous clear jelly stamper plate, which is obviously perfect for the theme. So because obviously I'm a nail artist, I thought I'd go along the line of art as my back to school theme. Now obviously with this you can stamp individually or have it all one colour, but I'm just sort of going to put in different colours with my Sharpie pens just because it's quicker and I'm just being lazy. But yeah, I'm just picking different colours and obviously filling it in like you can see here. So it's very quick and easy to do with the Sharpie pen. And then I'm going to go back to the stamping plate and obviously finish this look off with this part of it. Clear jelly stamper plates are awesome for this layered look that I am doing now. So that's my finished sort of artist palette. And obviously I thought it would be obviously appropriate to use the I Love Art, which I'm going to put on the top of it. So that is the first nail done. And then I'm moving on to my Pueen stamping plate, and I absolutely love this image right here with like the stained glass look. So with this one I am actually using polishes, and I'm just basically going with how I feel it looks the best kind of thing. So I'm obviously starting off with like a goldy stamping polish. This is my Beautybigbang one. And I'm moving on to some obviously different colours. This is a Moyou one. Can't remember the name. I will list as many of these products as I can in the description box. But yeah, but I absolutely love the stained glass look. And I actually find this kind of style of doing nail art designs really sort of therapeutic. I like sort of filling it in where there's lots of little different ways that you can fill it in. And like obviously you've got to be reasonably careful because you want to keep inside those lines, but it's not too difficult to kind of fill this all in. So I'm trying to make it as colourful as possible. And kind of that is the end look. And what's good about doing it with a clear jelly stamper is you can see how it looks or how it's going to look on your nail. So I kind of had the idea of obviously doing both, but one was going to be a completed look and the other is obviously not completed. So I'm going to stick the completed look to my nail. You will want to apply a white stamping polish over this before you stick it to the nail, like on the back side of it, if that makes any sense. It just makes it pop. And then you want to cut off any excess and then obviously use some nail polish remover if needed to remove any excess. But how beautiful does that look? So you can see here where I've put the white on before I have placed it. And I was kind of going along the line of I will make it look like it's in like the process of being completed. It didn't quite have the wow factor that I imagined it to be in my head when I thought up this design. But it's still kind of funky and hopefully you kind of get the idea where I was going with it. So that was like the paintbrush meant to be finishing it off. And then for the pinky, I am just doing obviously a paint like tube, a tube of paint, and picking out the different colours and again trying to line it up and layer it up as best that I can. So I'm going to finish off with this last bit now. But see how awesome it is, how it's actually quite quicker doing it with the layered process if you can do that. And then I'm going to just finish it off using my Lina nail art supplies with like a paint splatter. And that is the end look basically. So I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different as opposed to, you know, an apple or a ruler or a pencil. So I hope you like my interpretation of the back to school arty theme. This is it all together, obviously. So I really had fun creating it. I hope you guys like it. And that is it for today. So if you're new to my channel, please press that free subscribe button. And here's some other videos that you might not have seen before. So check those out. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.